Hey everyone, in this video we'll be learning about .NET Maui media element. So here you can see I have HTTPS URL that is running the video, and the lower is the HTTP URL that runs on our latest .NET Maui .NET 7 project. So here you can see we have this project and it works on .NET 7 and later too. So at first what we are going to do is we are going to add the package name is .NET Maui Community Toolkit media element. So this is the plugin that we'll be using. So this is the new plugin that need to be added. So browse it, install it in all of your project, that is community toolkit.maui.media element. And on the implementation side, here you can see I have added the media element, and don't forget to add the Maui Community Toolkit also as a plugin. There are two plugins that I have installed, so toolkit as well as the media element. And the next thing that we'll be doing over here is here in our main page.xaml, I have used toolkit one as a namespace, and here you can see I have used the media element, and this is the namespace that is needed for our media element to work, because it inherits from the plugin that I have already mentioned about. And here I have used HTTPS URL as well as the HTTP URL. So in order to make both the platform working on our Android project, what we need to do is go to Android mainbase.xaml, and if you are running your HTTP URL, then you need to add this line of code that is use clear traffic as true. And then what happens on the iOS side is for our HTTP URL to run, we need to go to the info.plist and go to Visual Studio Code. You can edit your plist with the Visual Studio Code if you have, or if you don't have, then show it in Finder. Okay, and open with and click on others. Okay, and then we have text edit, and then we can double click in on it, and then add this line of code after this array. So there is key and the array, integer 1 and integer 2, and after this we need to add this key as well as the dictionary. So this is what is added on my code over here, and this code can be got from this URL, that is our Xamarin iOS app fundamental, and then the app transport security section. So this URL helps us to get this code to get our HTTP URL up and running. So here you can see I have added that, and then we can just save it, and nothing needed over here. And then we can just easily open the application and then get our media element working. So let's see whether it gives us correct output or not, and we didn't change anything else. So that is it. Yeah, nice. So we got our media element working. That's all for this tutorial. And if you want to know more about media element, then I'll just attach this URL link in my video description. You can get all the information from here. Okay, so all the playback as well as delete means loop the video and everything, so you can get all the information from here too. So that is it. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep in touch for our next tutorials.